Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial on how I play Wow Thing by the Troggs on guitar. The guitar is tuned standard, E-A-D-G-B-E, and we'll start with the intro by playing a note that sounds like this. In order to play that, we're going to go to the G string and we're going to bend it up a whole step before we strike the string. What we need is this note at the 9th fret, but we're going to play it at the 7th fret. Now I'm using 2 fingers to make it easier to bend that string. I'm going to push the note up. There's my note. I'm going to strike it and gradually let it down like that. So it's, and then I'll go to an A chord to start the song. Once we get into the song, we'll be playing 4 open chords. We'll play an A chord, a D chord, an E chord, and an E minor 11 chord, and that is all the strings open, like that. We'll play it this way, and we'll be striking that chord and the A chord, just like that. For the intro, we'll play this. Now we can strum this one of 2 ways. We can strum it the easy way, which would be all down strums, straight ahead, like this. Or we can strum it in such a way that it sounds more like the recording. Here's how we'll strum it. Now what we're doing is we're throwing a chuck in between the strumming of the chords. Now this is a chuck. What that is a muted strum. That's up, down, up, right? Now I'm just touching the strings so I don't get any sound out of the chords. So what we'll do is play our A chord, a chuck, the D chord, an open E minor 11, like that, and then we'll go to our E chord, and then another chuck. Back to the D chord. So here it is. Next, we'll play the verses. And for the verses, we'll simply play this. That's our E minor 11 to our A. The last thing we'll do is a break that goes something like this. And that was simply banging on our E chord. Well, all right. That's how I play Wild Thing by the Troggs on guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.